Alright guys, the basement is around 800 square feet. I want to record everything. So all this is pretty much, ready to go. And we just have a little bit of ridge here. But, right here, tape here. This is the kitchen, but we do need to finish up until right here. All the ceilings, there used to be a wall. So we put a new wall up. New wall here. We do need to finish around the window trim because there's not going to be any casing. So plaster all the way. That ceiling, this part. We have a couple old light fixtures that we removed. Around this post, we're just going to paint it just like this. So it needs this all to be finished. Here we have an old light fixture, old light. This entire wall. So I'll give you one more detailed look here. So yeah, this can just go smooth, easy. But really running out of time here. This wall here, same story. You see the corner. This corner I think is actually done, but there's always like a little bit of leftover stuff here and there. This ceiling is where I guess most of the work is on. So this part, there's a line here, this entire part. And over here, this corner, we had to build it up with drywall, with mud. So there's a little divot here and also here. This wall's done. And here comes the hard part. This is a little playhouse for the kid. Stair area under the stair. So we have all this. Coming back out this way. Then on this wall, right here. Got a little patch spot. And you can see the ceiling a little bit better. So ceiling still needs work.